Hi, Eden.
Hi, Well+Good.
Thanks for coming on the Avocado Show.
Of course, thanks for having me.
So can you tell us where we are?
We are at Des in the kitchen.
What are you working on there?
So I'm just finishing the Avocado Pita, which is part of our new menu here at Des. So far I have avocado, we have some fresh basil, our spicy cucumber salad, which has radishes, Persian cucumbers, red onions, and a little bit of jalapeno to give it a nice little kick. And now I'm going to finish it off with our lemon vinaigrette, garlicky tahini, trug, and amba. And then we hit it, and there you have it. Avocado pita. Okay, let's go. I'll show you guys around.
Why is it called Des?
Des is our nickname, short for desert, because when you think of Middle Eastern food, you think of eating it in the desert.
What's your favorite food city and why?
Probably New York City, because every other storefront is a restaurant, so you can kind of like pick and choose and try a million different things.
It's my first time in New York City. What's your #1 restaurant recommendation?
At First and First, there's this small French bistro called Lucien, and you can just sit at the bar, get, you know, a stiff cocktail and drink some French wine, and order a steak au poivre and feel like you are in Paris.
What's your favorite thing on the menu here at Des?
Well, that's a really tough question because obviously I created the menu and every dish feels a little bit like a child to me. Right now, the avocado pita.
You're actually from Canada.
I am.
What's the most Canadian thing about you?
Ooh, probably my love for maple syrup. I put it on a lot of food. Any excuse, if you need something sweet, it's just got such a beautiful, when it's the right stuff. Canadian maple syrup, guys, it's the best. Only do Canadian.
All right, well, you're quickly rising in the foodie world ranks. Who is your chef idol?
Yotam Ottolenghi. I absolutely love the way he cooks. Mike Solomonov, he is such an inspiration. He's super passionate about educating people about Israeli cuisine, and I just absolutely love that, and I love him. And Missy Robbins, such a badass babe. I love her, she's a dear friend. Watching her just conquer this culinary scene in New York City, it's been so incredible. She's so inspiring to so many women out there.
Your pita's getting cold.
Yes.
So, can't eat it yet.
Oh, okay.
It's time for rapid fire. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, let's do this.
First question, what's with all the boobs?
Oh, you know, this is a female-run business. My business partner, Sam Wasser, and I really wanted the female vibe to be a part of our branding. So we're like, tits out. Tits out at the Des. Plus, I was breastfeeding a lot when we did this, and my boobs were always out, so it just made sense.
What's the weirdest place you ever breastfed?
Oh, everywhere. I pumped in the back of a taxi once when the driver was like, what's happening back there, because it's really loud.
Do you miss doing your pump dance?
Yes, every day. I look at all of my videos and I'm like, can I post another Throwback Thursday of my pump video?
Now on to the more serious stuff.
Okay.
Toronto or NYC?
Probably NYC. Sorry, Mom.
London or Tel Aviv?
Tel Aviv.
Cardio or literally anything else?
If it's dance, I'll take cardio.
Go-to workout?
Yoga.
What's your go-to cocktail?
Dirty vodka martini.
Are you a ghoster or a ghosty? Pre-Edo, of course.
Ghoster.
I think. Most underrated kitchen utensil?
A microplane or a mandolin.
Key to a good recipe?
Acidity. Lemon juice, vinegar. Always find a way to incorporate it because I really feel like it elevates and brings out all the other flavors.
What do people not know about you?
I grew up dancing. That's why I dance in my videos a lot. When I gave birth, I lost my memory, and also I think I lost my ability to carry a tune, and also maybe I lost my rhythm. I don't know what happened. I gave birth and everything just went.
What's your best life advice?
Failing isn't the worst thing that could happen. You know, if you fail at something, it's okay. There's always gonna be something else out there, especially if you keep putting yourself out there. So don't be afraid to fail.
Guac or avocado toast?
Avocado pita, obviously.
How many avocados have you had this week?
Probably, I would say 3.
All right, last question.
Okay.
Can you make me a pita?
Oh yeah, because this one's mine. See you next time on the Avocado Show. Well, I won't be here, but someone else will be here talking about avocado.